Hello and welcome, Scott67 here. So I've done some videos titled Ammo Update, and as a result of that, in the comments is someone telling me what they got and what they paid at Walmart. And then there are those asking me, when is Walmart going to have ammo? When are they going to have guns? I can only show you what I'm seeing in my area. And just so you know, I live about 30 minutes southeast of Nashville, Tennessee. So with that said, I went undercover to 5 of my closest Walmarts. And I can tell you now, the first 2 I went to that were closest to Nashville did not have guns. The rest of them did. They all had some type of ammo, but not very much. But keep in mind with ammo at Walmart, I bought these 20 gauge shells today, 27 cents a round with tax. My local sporting goods stores, 60 cents a round before tax. Crazy, crazy. Anyway, let's go on to the video. Let me show you what I saw. Pretty empty. So, ammo and guns at Walmart? Yes, depending on which store you go to. And of the stores I went to, those guns were 22 long rifle, 12 gauge, and 20 gauge. Ammo, there was one store that had 22 long rifle. Rest of it was 12 gauge, 20 gauge, and a little bit of other assortment. So, just to be clear, if you're looking for the larger caliber ammo like 223, 5.56, handgun ammo, and other guns, it's not going to happen. Walmart pulled these items late in 2019 due to a mass shooting in Texas. So, anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this up. Y'all guys be safe and good shooting. Woo!